Hi guys, this is Mitch from Snowdon, and we're a proud distributor of Gates belts. We carry a wide range of belts from A's to AX's. We've got the B's and BX's, 3V's, 5V's, 3VX, 5VX, as well as double banded, triple banded for cooling tower type boot duty. So any of your Gates belts needs or any belting needs, come on down to Snowdon. We'd be happy to take care of you. So my name's Mitch, and if you have any questions about our videos, our training seminars, or products, feel free to give me a call anytime. My number is below, or sign up for our training seminars. So looking forward to hearing from you.